Well, we didn't take the opportunity to buy the 51s, get out of our trade in reverse because 51 and change was the L period low. Trying to be patient is not working. I'm trying to be patient, and it's difficult when you see the L period low and talk about it this morning and see it go right there and then rally almost 10 points off the low. It seems that what I talked about yesterday, stalling here after this B period formation, is what's occurring, which doesn't leave me with the best feeling, considering that we bounced off the 51. 47 is a huge support. Big block. If you look at the volume at the price chart from April 1st, you'll see a significant block of volume from in the mid 40s up to like from 40, I think 43. Let's see here. There's a good block from 44 and change up to about 47, and of course we've been fighting this block from 51 on down to 48. So from 51 to 47 there's a block, and there's a block from 40 to about 42. A good trade would have been to, could have got filled at least on a reverse, at least at 53, 54. But that would have meant we would have had to do something similar to yesterday, try to get in and out within a few point range. We didn't do so well with that yesterday. So we have a 3 TPO top now on today's profile, the ABC period, at least with a 1-point scale. I'm looking at a 1-point chart. The half a point scale, the C period popped over just by a tick or two. We'll see what happens with the remainder of the C period. We're only into the C period by 4 minutes. We'll see if it wants to continue trying to test the Globex high up here at the 62. If it gets above the 62, our stop at 66 is in jeopardy, although I'm hesitant to liquidate the position at 62 because I think 66 would be a more important area for the market not to be able to break through. We'll see. If we get stopped out at the 66, there's a real good possibility that I'm going to take a 3.5 day vacation. Boy, this is disappointing. There's lots of NYSE tick buying pressure. The market took out the M period high. We took out the Globex high, and the retracements are limited. Son of a bitch. After talking about the fact that there was probably no initiative selling yesterday, it was just long liquidation. We didn't take advantage of the 51 double bottom, and that pisses me off again. Last couple days have not been in the best mind state, and I'm missing lots of opportunities. Son of a bitch, and the XLF's leading the way up now. So, we're going to be looking for a location to get out of this trade. Maybe do a reverse any second. Man, I hate to reverse with this much pressure, but the NYSE tick is just building higher highs. Where's the upside target? Who knows? Somewhere in the 4-7 profile, maybe. This rate, we should be able to get through the 72s relatively easy. Maybe the I period low, 81, could be a target. Son of a bitch. We're going to reverse here at 61.50, out of the 56s, and we're long 61.50. Did I mention that this was really pissing me off? Hey, guess what our stop is? 56. Well, we're moving in the right direction since the reverse. It's just unfortunate that we didn't have the insight after speaking about the same damn thing over and over last day. We didn't get out of the 51. breakdowns. That's what happens when you know, have too much of a mental picture and you don't rely on the data. Um, you know, the data yesterday told us I didn't see any intermediate selling, but rather long liquidation. The data told me that the 47 to 51 area was a significant block of support. The Globex hit the 51. That was the first mistake not getting out, but we weren't really up at that time, but we did have a stop in at 66. Never even got close to that. But during the day session, the retest of 51, 51 and a quarter was a double low, and you know, we ignored the warning, and the tick chart was building higher lows. You know, sometimes after the fact you can just slap yourself after you know, you talk about these things, you see the confirmation of the things you've talked about, yet no action is taken. So the one positive thing is there's lots of room for improvement, huh? We're going to move our stop up from 56 to 63. There's lots of buying interest all across the board on the NYSE. The financials are leading the way. So we're going to stay put. We're going to move our stop up to 63.75. If it gets through that 63, 60, if it gets through that 64.50 area, then 63.75 I think is a pretty good exit, because then it could probably retrace down a little bit. So 63.75 is our new stop. It's only 75, 3 ticks above the old one, but still an adjustment. We're going to take a real close look at this area in the 65s that we might get out at 64.75 if this breaks down. Matter of fact, we're moving our stop at 64.75. 64.75. There's no volume coming in here to support the upward advance. The XLF is diverging to the downside, and we're going into the lunch hour. All those things might mean there's a better opportunity to get in a price long lower. Maybe in the 62s. Lower 60s. So if it clicks 64.75, we're out. G period just opened up. Oh, we're real close to getting stopped out here. If we get stopped out, we'll look to see what the action is in a little bit. There's the stop. We'll reassess.